Hello guys, I am Sohan Rai and I'm the host for this meeting. I welcome you all to Imagine Lab's first workshop on app development without coding. Okay, so let's get started with the workshop. So app development. What have you heard about app development? Have you have any previous experience with app development? Any friend who's an app developer? Have heard, have watched videos, have read books on app development, or also worked on app development before? So let's see what is the basic and what is the traditional way of developing an app, a mobile or Android app. Then let's get into our session. Okay. So app development. So app development is basically the process of creating Android and iOS apps, as you know. So this traditional method, as you know, includes coding for the most part. Now there is a huge process in app development. Though the process looks small, it is actually a huge process. So initially we start with pre-design. So basically pre-design is designing an app with a paper and a pen. So it's like creating a blueprint of an app. It's not only designing the outer surfaces, it's also creating the how the database looks like, how the backend works like, how all stuff work. You're all everything you will brainstorm with the team. You'll think what is your idea and then design it in a paper and a pen. Then after this, you give the design to a UI UX designer. Now, what is UI UX? What is a UI UX designer? So UI UX is user interface and user experience. Okay. So UI UX designing is one of the most important parts in an app development. This is because now when an app is being developed, there are when the app is being run, there are many types of customers for an app. For example, if you are using Ola might be used by an 18-year-old, a 23-year-old, a 40-year-old, and also a 60-year-old. Now everyone should like the app and everyone should be able to operate the app. Now that is a challenge in itself. Okay. So because Gen Z and also teenagers like minimalistic designs, dark themes, simple fonts, whereas some elderly people like white themes, little bit they want clarity with each of the buttons, and they can't understand minimalistic designs. So while a UI UX designer designs an app, he has to spend most of his intelligence into designing that app. He has to make that app compatible for all age groups. So this is a challenge for the designer, and that's why UI UX designing has a very good very big role in app development. So for designing UI UX, there are various tools as you can see in the screen. There is Adobe XD, there is Figma, there is InVision, there is Marvel. There are many other tools also. These are the most famous ones. So this is just like Photoshop, Illustrator, but where you develop particularly mobile screens, tablets, screens, for websites. You design UI for everything. Then the next part is development. So the development of the app is a total coding and building the complete app. So for developing Android, the most popular languages are Kotlin and Java. These were very popular languages since before. And for iOS, it's Swift. React Native is also used for Android. Then recently a framework called as Flutter has come up from Google. So Flutter is based on a language called Dart. So what Flutter's speciality is, you don't need to code it separately for Android and iOS. Instead, you can write one simple code which will run in both Android, iOS, and they are also developing the systems for web as well as desktop. So Flutter will be one of the very trending topics in the future. So most probably we'll also conduct a workshop on Flutter with which you all can learn great stuff. Then there is databases and servers. So while developing an app, the backend of the app, what a user enters his credentials in the app, what he puts his data in, everything goes and stores into a server, into a database. So there are many kinds of servers. So basically, servers are computers. They are huge hard drives. So it is AWS and DigitalOcean are one of the widely used servers. Even Netflix uses AWS. So Firebase is a database provided by Google, which is connected with Google Cloud. So Firebase gives you free access for developing your apps for up to a limit. So you can use Firebase if you are a full stack app developer also. After development, then you publish the app. You put it in on the Play Store. You put it on the iOS. Then it's good to go. After the verification process, people can use the app. Now, are we going through such a big process? No. What are we doing in this workshop? It's app development without coding. So we are going to use Glide. So what is Glide? Glide is a platform where you can develop an app without UI UX designing separately and coding especially. So what does Glide do? You just need to drag and drop and select some icons, and also put links of photos easily, and Glide automatically converts the design you do into code. That is the specialty of Glide. Okay, so you most of you might not have heard about Glide because it is a new platform, and it will be one of the trending platforms in the future, since it is also funded by Google. So you can develop beautiful apps from scratch using Glide. You can develop apps like clones of Netflix, Tinder, many such apps. So in this workshop we are going to teach you Glide. So Glide will be completely based on the server, not on servers. It will be based on Google Sheets. Okay, so Glide will be based on Google Sheets. You will be using Google Sheets as a server to store all the data, links, everything. Yeah, so let's get started. So this session will be conducted by Nishant. Nishant will be teaching you guys how to build the Glide app. Nishant is AIML and data science developer. He has very good knowledge on AIML, on developing great machine learning tools and stuff like that. So he has worked on Glide pretty much, and he has a great expertise on it. Might be his language might not be the perfect English for you, but the knowledge he has is extreme. uh, Concentrate on the workshop, and I hope you all will come up with a great Netflix clone app in the end. So all the best. Let's get started.
Hi everyone. Uh, Hi everyone. Now I'm going to drop a link in chat box. Okay, I dropped the link right now. That is the http drive.google.com. It will take you towards directly to an Drive websites. Let's click on that. I think everyone now can able to see only three documents. One is online cinema, another is Netflix logo, and another one is link. Done. Then right click on online cinemas. Before that, cross verify that your drive can able to access and Glide only access Google accounts. That means gmail.coms, not supports any private domains. So to change your login to another email ID, just cross verify at the top right. There is a circle called Google account. You can able to see Nishant Gowda nishi1202 at gmail.com. Now I like to change this email ID into another account. Just note the account from which account you are logging to and drive. Just remember it, so that same email ID should be logged in Glide also, so that it will get a link between the Google Drive and the Glide. If you mismatch both of the things, if you log in Glide different account and also your login in Drive in different account, cannot able to interact with the both the database and the UI. When it is done, then first right click on online cinemas, then click on make a copy. Online cinema is done. Next click on link, then click on make a copy. Then you can able to see a Netflix logo, right, in the format of PNG. Don't make this copy. Click right and download that one. Click download. After that, click see at the, just look at your left side. There is a thing called new priority my drive, share with me, recent, start and trash. Click on my drive. Now I can able to see copy of online cinema and copy of link here. Look at this, copy of online cinema and copy of link. Then click new button and add a folder called app. Everyone name as app only. Don't change the name, just name it as app. When it is done creating the folder called app, once again right click on the copy of online cinema. It is not an online cinema, this is copy of online cinema, and click on move to. When you click on move to, then you will get an option called where it should be. Can I move to and share with me, start, computer, or my drive? I want to move to an my drive itself. I click on a my drive. When I click on the my drive, it will give the sum of the folder name. In that, I select the folder as app and I press move. Done. Then I next click on the copy of link. Once again, I click on the move to, and I'll get the option to move for my drive. When I click on my drive, I select the folder and I'll move. Then when I click on the app, now I can able to see two folder, copy of link and copy of online cinema. If you want to create your own database, giving an example, don't do it. When I click on the new and I click on the Google Sheet, it automatically get a blank Google Sheet. Using that, you can create your own data sheet. Just click on copy of link. You can able to see the how data is designed. Data is designed in such a manner that first sheet contain the Google movie news, drama, action, fantasy, horror, cartoon. If you want to add more genres, you can add as funny movies or else comedy. You can add more sections. Just clicking on the plus button, you can able to create another one. But I don't want now. I'll remove this one, delete. Just don't make any changes in this Google Drive. You can able to see that in just I want to explain that how it is database is arranged. The first row is called label. Label contain name, URL, trailer, IMDb rating, genre, year of issues, starting, and lot more. In that, I just copied the name from Google of particular movies. First movie is the Shellshock Remedy Redemptions. In that, I copy the link of a Netflix. You can see here. Here's the trailer. Just I copy the trailer and I paste the sum of the link here. It's automatically playing the sum of the video. It is linked to an, you can see the URL drive. It is playing from drive.google.com. This video is kept in my drive, so I give an access for everyone so that you can use this document for your purpose. If you want to create your own, just go for drive. I think that I want to upload my own image. So I create a new file upload and I click upload on Netflix. It will take some time. Automatically it's put at a Netflix account to my drive from my computer. When I click on my drive, you'll get an option called share. In the share, it will add. It is restricted only people who can open with links. I want to put the name of that person so that they only those person can able to see that. But I am making this as a public, so I am selecting the restricted as change restricted into anyone with this link, and I copy the link and I press done. Just I'll paste this link in the new tab. Just look at this. Now it is showing my link, image of the, it's showing my image. Even you can access this image. So those are the URL you can able to see in the trailer. These trailers are the URL which I copied shared link and I make it to an open for anyone and I paste it here in the trailer list. And I search for the IBM rating of every movie and I categorize the movie and mention the year of issue and lot more. Then here you can see that this avatar. If you want to see which image is there, just copy it and see it in, put it in new tab. You can able to see the movie avatar. That means poster. How did this poster I can able to view? Because in my drive I put it this poster and I mentioned that everyone can able to access who can open with my link. So likewise, I make this the database which look for usage purpose. Forget about this Google Drive. Then everything is done. Then now it's contain the 3 folders. Then when it is done, just drag your mouse towards this corner option and check it out. Which email ID you are using this drive. Mine is nishan.easy@cre.edu. In that means it is abide by Google Suite, so that it's even it's have an access to an Gmail ID. Can you mention your just check it out, just memorize it, which is the email ID. That one is nishan.@gmail.com, maybe own Google Drive. Then after that, open copy of link. Click on double click. It will automatically open this page. Here I give the link address for Glide, Go Native, Google Drive, and Source. Don't worry about this Google. It is completed because we're done with this one. Now you want to click on Glide. Just single click on Glide and click on build an app for Google. Then done. Now you can able to see this dashboard, right? Next, click on login. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, if you able to see direct dashboard, because you are signing in uh, la old session. So if you directly able to see this one, just go to the bottom left side and click on sign out. If you are seeing that, if you are directly opening the dashboard, if you are not open with dashboard, you can able to see this page. Click on logout, because in old session someone created the account so that they mismatched with the drive and Google, so cannot able to access that. So we don't want those problem. If you able to see a dashboard, just log out, then you can able to see this page. In that, press create a new account, then it will show already have an account, don't worry about that. Then click on sign up with Google, then select, just check it out, this is nishantgt.ec and the drive also nishant eg.sayadri. So I'm linking both of them here. Log out, I'm signing with Google with the account called nishantsayadri.edu.in. Sign in with different email, create an account. Then it will ask for the permission. Are you sure? Trust Glide? Yes. Allow. That asking the link for the drive. When it is done, it will take a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait it. Then you will get a new dashboard. And it will ask your first name, last name, and select the planning to use for Glide. I'm naming name as Imagine Labs. I selecting to myself. If you want to make it as your wish for company or whatever it may be, then click on continue. Then accept terms and conditions. Then you can able to see an dashboard without any app created by you. If you have any app here, think that I continue some add Google Sheet. Don't do this one. I'm just giving some demo now. If you're able to see any app present in, just click on 3 dots and delete it. Make it everything as empty, because don't make any confusion, so that once again when I came back and click on another app, it became mismatched. So my apps is empty. Now I'm clicking on new app and I'm naming the app as Netflix clone. Then I am designing for phone, not for tablet or desktop. When I click on phone, everyone knows app runs only in phone, not even it runs in tablet. Don't select desktop. When it is done, click on continue. Here, there's an option called Google Sheet, Glide Tablet, SQL, and lot more. Just select Google Sheet. It defaultly selects Google Sheet. Don't change into another thing. Just Google Sheet and click on continue. Now you can able to see online cinema. It's showing the shared. That means it is shared by me. If I change my data sheet, even your data sheet is also going to change. Everyone click on new app, select the phone and name the app and click on continue and select Google Sheet and press continue. And you can able to see that you can I once again do it similar thing. When I click on new app, when I name my app name and can select the phone and continue, and I select the Google Sheet and I press continue. Here you will get some of the Google Sheet presented in your drive. But you can also see that you can able to see a 2-person logo or icon. That means this is shared by me. If I change my database, even your database also changes. So I told you guys to make a copy of Cinema so that you have your own personal data linked with any other. So click on copy of Cinema and click next, select and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then it automatically get a default design. I can able to see the top. There's 3 options. One icon look like data sheet, another one look like phone, other one look like diamond. That means it's not a diamond, it's like a screw symbol. That means settings. Click on that. You'll get a lot of options called appearance, app info, tablet and desktop, privacy, and lot more. In that appearance, select the color. I like to choose the color red, and I select the theme as dark, and I can able to see the choose icon. It's showing that match device theme. I don't want to match the device theme. If you are from your setting, if your phone in the dark mode, its theme changes according to the phone settings. If you enable the match device theme, So I am disabling the match device theme so that whatever I design here, it looks similar in your app. Just enable the match device theme. And if you can check out later what and all is there. If you what happens if you remove the show tab, or what I do, what I going to change a lot of things in this app. I only tell about appearance. Then go for app info, click on upload and download the Netflix photo where you downloaded from the drive. Just verify that your app name is proper or not here. And if you want to give some description, you can give it here. Designed by Imagine Labs. .in. Okay. Then done, you can check out a wow privacy and work. In that privacy, select public so that everyone can access to your app. If you make as public with email, it will ask first sign in, then page will open. If you make it public, it directly opens without any asking sign in page. There are a lot of options. You can try it out. That's it. Then when it is done, click once again on the phone appearance. Then you can able to see default tabs, lot of default tabs and lot of default settings. I don't want all this, so what I'm doing here, you can see here, I'll just show something for you guys before going to that. In this is called tab, where you can change the tab setting. Next one is called menu, and next one is called screen. These all are in left side. Then here you can able to see the directory of a file. It will show the directory where are you present at now, and it will give label source tab icon, and you can get you want to select the style. Everything is present at right side. That's it. Now let's go through it. So you know that where is the tab, menu and screen. In the click on the tab so that it will drag down. You will get a sum of the default settings. Delete everything, please. And you cannot able to delete chat and shop cart because it's default settings. You cannot able to delete this one. So from tab, click hold it left click and just drag towards menu. Just drag the tab, just drag the chat. When it is done, at tab section you can able to see a plus button. Click the plus button twice so that you will get 2 new tabs at left side. Click on any one of the tab. Now you can able to move the shop cart, move that one also, and make it that shop cart is not. If you click on menu, everything is here, shop cart and chart list at the menu bar. So I don't want to see this. I am making this as disable. I don't want any shop and any cart for me. You cannot able to delete. You can make this as invisible. Click on by clicking on I symbol. Now there is a absence of menu bar here, but you are having the new tab list. Click on any one of them. Better you click on first one in the left side. Then move towards the right side of the tab, right side of the dashboard. Name the label as movie. Don't change source. Don't change anything in the source. Just click on the tab icon. You can able to search some of the default icon symbol. I will search for play. You can search whatever you want. When I search play, I will get on some icon here in the search list. I selected last one, and then you can see that the icon with the movie name is created here. Okay, then we move, and when it is done, click on the movie, or else you can click on movie in the 2 selection. One, you can click on the movie here, or else you can able to click the movie on here also. So I clicking the movie here, then I click on, then I in that movie category, just move towards the right side of your dashboard, you can able to see the style in the list. I don't want in the list format. I want this in the details. Click on details. Why I want details? Because if I click on any of this, I cannot add anything towards the screen. You can see here I cannot possible to add anything for a screen. Only you can able to possible to add English for the screen by selecting the details. Then I think it now in that screen button, click add and choose inline list in the list category. When it is done, why just think that I want to categorize the movie in the lot of categories: drama, action, fantasy, horror, and cartoon. If I am making the English for one, I need a still four categories to make an categories of a movie. So what I am doing? So I am adding the still four in list here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now in this screen, you added it 5 in list, but every in list are direct to a source called movie general. I don't want in the movie general source, so I'm clicking on the click on the first inline list and come towards the right side of your dashboard. Click on card. When you click on card, change the title into drama. First one. You can able to see the drama in two sides. One is drama with a symbol of link symbol, the link of two chain, and you can able to see the drama with the A icon. Select the drama with A icon, not a link. Okay, you can able to see drama 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6th at 6th position. Then source. Select the source as drama because title is drama. Then value should also be equals to drama. Then when it is done, select the image as avatar because I put the poster of a link in the avatar row. You can able to see there is a thing called avatar. It is showing your avatar. So I select the avatar right here. Then I don't want header. If you want to header, try it. Just to show the header like this. Even I want title name. I look at the both of thing. It is a red color and it is in white color. For color selections which look like, I don't want to select any header here. When it is done in data, I selected only image and title. Image to avatar, title to name. That's it. Then I'm moving for in design. It is asking that image is URL. Yes, it is URL only. Don't change anything here. Then click on image shape and select 3:4. Then you will get an option called size. In size, you can have two categories. One is full size and another one is off size. Click on off size. Then you will get a card style. When you select this one, look at this symbol. When I select the float, I seeing the image without shadow. When I click second one, I can able to see some shadow in that image. If you click on that, the background of covering sector of an poster is disabled. Don't worry that design. I am selecting float. If you want to select none or outline, you can do it whatever you like. In orientation, everything is in the vertical orientation. I don't want vertical variation because if I make a vertical orientation for everything, the app page goes so long. So I select orientation as horizontal. Now I can able to move everything horizontally. And here is a corner. Look at the image corner. It is a round necked corner. If you want to change into sharp, you can make it as sharp. I think for me it look good for round. Then text size. Don't worry about text start right now. If you want to edit it later. Then line. Don't worry about line of text. Click enable the all capital letter. You can able to see everything is converted into capital letter. And add the button to favorite. I will say why you want to add this button to favorite. If you create this favorite button, then only you can able to create an watch list. So for the precaution, select favorite now only. Then what is mean by tag? You know that tag that when you go for an e-commercial website or some of the website of an e-commerce, they will mention it is odd sale, 50% discount, just like putting in tag, new, out of stock, and like that. Even I want the same thing tag in my poster. So I clicking on the tag and I select the tag as IMDb rating. Look at that. It's showing that the movie is 8.2 rated, 8.1 rated, like that. Then next avatar, don't use avatar and avatar text. The avatar and avatar text nothing but it is just an I can show it that one. It just look like an Instagram profile photo at round symbol. If I put any avatar name, avatar text, it will look like this. It look some weird. I don't want this one. Don't, so I'm removing custom. When it's done, I don't want any caption and go for the option. You can able to see that only show a few items. 12. If I make it into one, I can able to see the one item. That's it. Why? Why remaining I cannot able to see? Because you put it a filter show only one. So I don't want this filter feature. Just disable it. Now you can able to see lot of features. See that I just tried to move this slide. So it defaultly move towards a movie. I am making the setting in drama. So everything is changed where everything went. So once I click on the drama, came back here. It will show the directory of that movie you are in list. This is called directory. It is showing that in movie you are in the category of in list. When it is done, I think all of things are done. Then this is the main thing you want to create an action. Look at that. When I click on the image, I'll get some details. When I go back, I am this. Look at this image. When I go back, that one only I am seeing that. In Netflix, it's not going to happen like this. If I watch that movie and I came back, it will shuffle. I will get another movie recommendation here. It will automatically understand that it may be not like this movie. Once I came back, I didn't want to show this once again here. So once again it moved back to movie. So I'm once again clicking on drama and I'm clicking on action and creating a new action. When I click on the new action, it's automatically showing that action with open link, defaultly showing something. I don't want that. So click on that. Cut properly middle on that. You will get an option delete it. Then click on action button. It automatically select the one action called reshuffle. Yeah, I want reshuffling purpose. And also I don't want just only a reshuffle. Reshuffle along with I need a another thing called view details. Now it's reshuffling and also viewing in details. Name the action as whatever you like, you'll name it. I will name it as reshuffle and view. I click save. Now look at this. When I click on this movie called Remedies, Shell Shacks of Remedies, when I came back, it's and now also it's not showing any changes. I put an option called reshuffle. Why it is not reshuffling? For that, you want to once again go to the drama section and click on the option. In that option, you can able to see a sort. Click on the sort, make the sheet order. Now it is arranged in the sheet order. Make it into a random. That's it. Now see it. I moved to the area called the DocTales. Then I came back. Now I can able to see the interstellar. That means it is reshuffling. Can everyone able to reshuffle now? So last step once again. Okay. In it last step, what we did, we go for the drama and we click on the action button. In that action button, we choose create new action. We want a new action. There is a lot of action: delete row, go back, increment, decrement. I even it's having an option called reshuffling and view, but I want both the action reshuffle and view. So I'm creating click on. I am used to click on create new action. In that new action, I click on the open link. I don't want open link. I click on the open link. I'll get an option to delete this one. I delete it. Then once I click on the action button, automatically add another plugin called reshuffle. Yes, I want that. And at the bottom of that reshuffle, you can able to see a plus button. When you go towards that plus button, you can it will become a blue. When you click on that, it will ask another action what you want to do. Here I select that one as an view details. Now I can able to get the both action reshuffle and view details. After it's done, don't forget to action save this name. I like to say this name as something, whatever it may be, something I used to say that, and I'll say this one. Then now just check it out. Then go for an option and and the sort option, click on sort option, make that as random. That's it. Now you can able to see shuffling of an particular movies in the section of drama, right? And also one thing is missing. Think that if your friend suggests you to watch some movie, what you will do? First, you'll go for a search bar and search for the movie and see the ratings and all. Here I cannot able to see any search bar. If I click on any link, it's really confusing to search on the go through and every categories and search for. You need a search for the drama category only. You'll get an option. You want to see that, enable the search bar, show search bar. Now you can able to search anything in only in this drama section. Click at the intouchable. I see it is showing that biography. If I search biography, BIOGRI, these are the two movies which are belongs to the biography. If I search on a movie name called Green, it will show me the movie called Green Book. Here, search bar works only for drama rather than action, horror, fantasy, and lot more. It's only working for drama because we enabled this only for search bar to drama. You want to make similar way for everything. I completed drama. Now it is your task to make it for remaining 4 of them. If you understand, continue with doing. If you don't get it, look at me once again how I am doing. Just follow it. Click on in next. First one is completed. I'm going for next one. In next one, I am selecting the style as card. I am moving the title as next one fantasy. Value is fantasy. Image is avatar. Title is name. Image ratio is 3:4. Size is off size. Then orientation is horizontal. And all cap letters. Add the button to favorite. And add the tag. Click on 3 buttons. 3 dot where you can get a IMDb rating. And disable this one. Show only few items. Or disable that one. And click on action. Create new action. Delete this one action and create on other action called shuffle. It's automatically created, and select a view details and name the action as whatever you want. When it is done, then next go for option and enable the search bar and click on the sort, and it defaultly selected as sheet order. Click into a random. That's it. Then look at that. Only I took a 2 minutes. Just I took a 1 minute to do another one. Now it is also working here. It is shuffling. I can able to view details. In the same manner, we want to do for another 3. After that, everything is done here. But when I just go for the movie called drama, click on the any of the movie you like. Just click it. But see here, everything is looking weird for me. Everything is terrible. Everything is somewhere I don't like. So just go to the screen. I select the sum of the movie. I can able to see the screen here. Here it contain title, link, action text, lot of and link. Delete all this link stuff. When it is done, yeah, I need a name of the movie. Yes, I need a genres. I need a year of issue. I need everything. But I don't need a linking thing because I don't want to show a customer that just link on link. It will go take you to some directory of a website. Watch it there. I want everything should be shown in my app itself. So I remove the link list and click on the plus button, and I click and at the media I selected the video. Just drag. When I click the video, it came at the bottom. So I want this video at the beginning. Just hold it and drag before title. I'm clicking the video here. In that video, it's showing that the video, and look at the right side of the dashboard. The video is selected to an URL, but I mentioned the video is contained in the database called trailer. Click on the trailer. Just play it. You can able to see movie trailer is playing right now.
By the power vested in me by the state of Maine, I hear.
If it is done, then I want something. And then look at the title. Okay, in the title it's showing 9.3 review. Okay, whatever it may be, it look good. Then I add in the other thing called as a separator. You can able to see a separator in the layout. Add the separator and select the separator as medium and just drag this after video. Yes. When it is done, just click once again on the plus button and add the button. Just drag this button after title and rename the title as watch now. Watch now. Then title I add, then click on the button and click change the action to open link. It target is URL. That's correct. When I click on watch now, it will take me towards the directory of a Netflix where I can directly watch that movie. That called redemptions. Look at that. It's working properly. If you're done for one, it's enough. In the drama section, it's work for everyone. But it's working only in the drama section. But you want to do it say similar thing for fantasy, action, horror, and cartoon. I will repeat once again how to do. Click on any movie you like in the category of drama, action, fantasy, whatever. Then everything is sorted in the weird manner. Delete the everything. You can able to say link. Delete all this link. Then click on plus button in media. Add the video and check it out. The video in the URL. It's not a proper database section. It should be in the trailer. Click on trailer and drag it before title. Then add once again and add a separator here and add the separator after the trailer and mention the spacing as medium. Video is done, separator is done. After watching the movie, we should after watching the trailer, we need to watch the movie, right? So that we need a button called button. Name the button as watch now. Select the action as open link. Link target is URL. It's correct. Then just drag this after title. If it is done, then it is done for remaining all the category in the fantasy. Do it similar for remaining 1, 2, 3. I done with 2.
Then Shaq kissed the princess. She turned into a beautiful ogre, and they lived happily ever.
Then you finish the tab called movie. Then it's time to create a watch list. So just right click on the movie, click on duplicate. Do it everyone. Just click on the movie, click on the duplicate. After when it is done duplicate, just change the label as watch list and also change the tab icon. That's it. Just what to do, go to the delete. I think you created a 2 tab called new tab. In that one tab, first tab you name it as movie. Now another tab itself is having the new tab. Just delete remaining tab. Just keep the movie tab. Just click right click on the movie tab and make it as duplicate. Then you will get a 2 tab with the name of the movie with the same logo and with the same icon with the same label name. So I click on any of one. I choose second one. I rename it as a movie list and change the tab icon and then download icon, which more familiar to use. In that, you want to make a small change. What is that? I'll say it here. Here, click on the option. Everything is similar. What you did in movie sector because it's a duplicate of those tabs. Just click on the option and look at the filter. Click on add filter and click don't show again and click OK. It's added one tab filter in filter section. I don't want name. Select that as is favorited. It is at the last in the list. Then is write it as here don't select anything in the list. Just write it. Just type it. That T capital RUE, true, and click somewhere in the dashboard. Just I'll say once again, watch list, drama, option, in filter. If I click add filter, I will get two filters. I don't want two, I want only one. So if I want to delete any of this one, you can able to see the mark minus. Click on the minus mark. Now it will get only a one filter. Click on that filter. Is favorited, is right, true. Don't click on the three buttons and select any of them here. Just write it in the using keyboard, capital T R U E, true, and just click somewhere in the dashboard. Do it same for everything. Click in list, then fantasy, then option, filter, is favorited, is, write it, true. Next one, action, option, filter, is favorited, is, write it, true. Then order, option, click on filter, is favorited, is, true. As I am adding the filter, you can able to see that which and all I add a filter, they are hiding themselves. Because I'll say why. I will even do same for the cartoon also. Option, add filter, is favorited, is, TRUE, true, done. Now I added for filter for everything. I cannot able to see anything in the watch list. So I'll go to the movie and I click on this art. Then when I click on watch list, I can able to see in the watch list so that I can watch it later. That means I'm saving the movie in the watch list. So I had few of them. Stick that I added Transformer. I added Hancock. Then I added Platform. I added Tall Guy and I added something and all. Now when I go for the watch list, I can able to see all this in the watch list. If you want to remove this from the watch list, you click on the art. It will automatically remove from the watch list. That's it. We can even do it from using a button also. Using the favorite button is so easy, so I choose the favorite button. Next, we are going to teach how to build a database. Here, I give the database for you so that you just made a US design. So let's try to build your own database. So that what you want to do is click on Drive. Okay. Just everyone open Drive. My Drive maybe. You created the folder called app. Click on that. Then open copy of online cinema. Everyone are sure, right? Everyone should have the name of the file as copy of online cinema. If you have an online cinema, you are making the bit mistake once again. It should be always copy of online cinema. Click on that. A database will open. Then when database is open, you can able to see this database given from me. You can able to create your own database by knowing what are the label values and what are the variables you should require. So I click here. At the bottom of the Excel sheet, I can able to see a plus button at the left bottom. I click on that. It will add the sheet with a name called sheet 2. Click on the down arrow mark. You will get an option called rename and rename it as POPULAR, popular. When it is done, drag this popular after movie news. Now, popular sheet is completely empty because it is a new sheet. Okay. Soon, just create a sheet. Go to an folder called app. Click on the copy of online cinema. And at the bottom left, you can able to see a plus button called add sheet. Click on that. You will get the sheet with a name called sheet 2. I don't want the name of the sheet as sheet 2. So that click on the sheet 2, you can able to see a down arrow mark. Click on that, you can able to see a uh, uh, profile setting called rename. Click on the rename and rename the sheet 2 as popular. When it is done, drag the popular after movie news. When it is done, everyone know, right? Here it's contain label called name, URL, trailer, IBM rating, year of issues, country and all. Look at the every sheet. It's similar. URL, rating, country, age restriction, same. Everything is same here. Even you want to create the label as similar is in the remaining sessions. So what I do, it's really difficult for me to type in each cell. So I go for the drama cell. Just I click on the name and I just move the mouse towards right until L column, and I leave it and I press Control C. Control C. That means copy. Then once again I click on the popular sheet. Then I click on the cell number A1 and I press Control V. Paste. Everything pasted here. Then when it is done, I write the movie name as Avatar. Avatar. I want to search for the URL. I want to search for the trailer. Then I want IMDb rating. Just I'll give the rating as my wish. Some 8.1 8.1 rating. It maybe belongs to the category. I will only write it. It belongs to an genre called action, drama, whatever it may be. I'm gonna make it drama. Make it drama. Okay. Just the details. Don't worry about the spellings and all. Year of issue I put 2018. You can take this information by searching in Google. It take a lot of time if I go for Google and search for and all. I just write the name. Starting maybe I write my name only, Nishant. I am the actor in this movie. Just think it like that. Maybe I am the avatar, Nishant. Then I write so on. These are the actors' name, and the director. I write the director name as Nishant only. I'll write Bilash. That is good name. Bilash. Then country, maybe I write Brazil, not USA. USA. Age restriction, maybe 16 plus movie. Film description, I don't know what the film description. I go for in Google and I search for Avatar. I click enter. I will get some description here. I think so. Avatar Wikipedia. Just go it and just grab some of the line from Wikipedia. Control V, copy it here. Once again, go to the drive and paste Control V. Oh my God, description is moving outside the column. Just look at my presentation. How to make this data sheet look proper. Just follow once again. Don't worry if you don't fill any of this row right now. Just anywhere, click anywhere in this cell, any of the cell, press Control A. Then click on the format and you'll get the text wrapping. It defaultly selected to an overflow. Select is a wrap. Now it will everything is wrapped. Oh, if you want to increase the description size. Okay. You can do it for everything if you want. If I go for drama, I see everything is message, press Control A and I make the format. Click on the format. Then I click on the text and make the wrap. So everything look nice right now. Then I go for this one, Control A, format, wrap, fantasy. I put control. It's not required to do because if you want to look your database nice when you person look at your database, just make it that Control A, just Control A, then click on format, then click on wrap. Don't worry, don't do for everyone, just do it for popular. That's enough. I am doing for everyone just for an time pass to think so like that. Format, then click as wrap, then okay. Then you can be able to see that avatar is done, age is IBD, IMBD rating is done, general is done, year of issue is done, starring is done, director is done, country is done, but avatar is remaining. What is meant by avatar? I rate the avatar as a poster. So I will go here and I search for avatar poster and I click enter. Then image, I am click on the image. I will get a lot of avatar poster here. I click any one of them and I click right click. Then I click save image as and I write ava a what is that AVAT avatar and I press enter. Now image is downloaded. Then I'll go for once again I'll go for drive, app drive. I think everyone downloaded the poster of avatar. Done. Then I'll go for an app. It is a drive in the folder called app. In that folder, I click new. I select file upload, not a folder and folder upload, just a file upload. And I select the avatar from the download. See here, download music, download avatar, open. Now it will take few time. Secondly, you can see it's loading here. I got an avatar here. After getting avatar, click right in your mouse and you get the option called share. Click on that share. When you click on that share, you will at the bottom you can able to see get link, but it will show restricted only people added can open this link. But I want to make my app to public so that anybody can log in for my app so that see the image and video of this particular poster. So I click on the restricted. Then I change the restricted to anyone with the link. When it is done, I click on copy link and I click done. Okay. When it is done, once again I move towards an database and I paste that link. I copy the link, right? I paste here, Control V. That's it. When it is done, you need another two column called URL and trailer. It's really difficult to download the video from the YouTube and upload into a drive, then copy, share the link, and then access from the drive. So what I will make here, I will just copy the link from YouTube. Even it is also possible. What is the big advantage if you select the link from YouTube? YouTube video may be present for a few days, maybe get blocked or deleted because of reporting purpose or due to the copyrights and all. So it's best have the download the video, put it in your drive, and then click on share with and make it to visible for everyone. Then copy the link and paste it in the database. Or else even you can try it in the YouTube. I do it from the YouTube for that another two URL and trailer. You can check it out. How can we copy the link from URL? Then name is done, everything is done. Then URL and trailer is remaining. In URL, I go for YouTube. Then I search avatar movie trailer, not avatar full movie. I can able to get avatar full movie which contain 2 hours 51 minutes 26 seconds. I click on that and I just copy the link from the header. Just double click it in the header. Okay, when you double click it in the header, you will get the link with HTTP, or else you'll get only www.youtube.com because I need a HTTP. I'll show it once again. When I run this, if you just copy that, you will get only get a youtube.watch and list. If you double click that, then you will get HTTP and all. Just copy that and paste it here. It is not from the drive, then also it will work because it's a media player. YouTube is a media player. Lot of websites use the same technique to copy the URL from the YouTube and put it in the their website or the app. And a lot of people not do in app because app is like, and they have their own database. It look awkward because when you put it into a YouTube, it will play the video with the YouTube logos. They will show the YouTube logo and all. Then it will look like an they are podcasting from an YouTube without having the database and all. So I just giving an example. Just download. There are a lot of platform where you can download the YouTube videos. Then I need a avatar trailer, avatar movie trailer. Then which one? This one is good. I just copy that. Just I click the double click. I get the HTTP and I copy the URL. Copy, and I paste it in the trailer. That's it. This is how you create the database. If you want to create the more movies, then at the row 3, just name the another movie called whatever, Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, whatever I want. I like DC, by the way. Then go to the ad. 1 second. When it is done, go to the app session, and at the database, you will click on that database. Okay. In database, click the button called reload. You can able to see the reload button. Click the reload. When you click on the reload, you can able to see the popular category which you have built right now. The popular avatar and all these are containing here. Just reload it. You can able to see reload button here, and also you will get the reload button at the left bottom. Just click any one of them. Then when it is done, you will get the another sheet called popular in your database. Just click on app designing and click on movie. In movie section, click on plus button and add another in list. And just drag that in list top. Then select this as card. Then don't forget this title is popular. Here even in this database, I'm not write as popular. So once I'm going for the database and I click on movie general, I will add a category called popular. P-U-L-A, popular. P-O-P-U-L-A. P-U-L-A, popular. P-O-P-U-L. Yeah, popular. Done. I put Control S. I'll save this. Save. And once again, I reload. It is showing new column is founded. Yes, I added new column called popular. Okay. Then click on this. You will get the list called popular in the last. Okay, popular. And the value is popular. Then I select popular and select the image as avatar. Then I select I don't want any header. I select the title as name. And I add the details of movie description. Then images, I select the shape of image 3:2:3. So it look bigger than compared to others. Then I need a sharp edge or round edge. I look sharp edge is best. Then I put a sharp edge. If you put an vertical, okay. When you put an vertical, it will, if you add some other extra data, it will get, if you swipe vertical, you may get some other popular movies. So now I'm using only the one movie. So if you select vertical or horizontal, it doesn't matter. It best keep it as an horizontal, okay. Then corner, okay. Then all capital letters. I add few description. I want to see a still more. If you increase the description, you can able to see a still extra line of descriptions here. I don't want those much descriptions here. I want only 2 lines, 3 lines is enough. And I add the button called favorite. And I add the tag as IBM review rating. Then I do show everything. And where is that avatar? Show everything. Then action button as similar as old one. Make it as random and also random. And I click on this. Then I click on view action. View details. I name it as whatever I want. Blah blah blah. Save it. Because of it's present only one. If I came back, I cannot able to see another one because in database in popular I can able to see only the one database of avatar. Then when it is done, I'll add the popular list also to an search bar. I don't want to add any filter. I add the sorted to an random. As similar, everything is similar, but one thing is the size of the image is bigger than compared to the others. In everywhere I use the ratio of 3:4. Here I using the 2:1. In everyone I using the off size, but I'm using the full size here. That's it. Nothing is changed. Then when it is done, see here I'm getting a list called upset is the popular. I think I don't want that. I make it as custom so that I remove that which one look awkward at the upside popular. Then when it is done, I click on that. I can able to see that everything is in the improper manner. I delete that one same manner, and I click on that, and I click on video, and I bring the video to an up. Here, look at it. Don't play the trailer. Just play. Select the URL. Okay. In YouTube, you can directly play the video. Click the URL. Don't change it to a trailer, and add a separator. Drag it after video. Select that one as medium, then click on the button and add the button. And everywhere you added the button called watch now, here put it as watch trailer. The action is, everyone, I think open link, and here change the not, it is not an URL, it should be a trailer, because I'm changing here. I change the sequence as in every category. I played the trailer. If you want to watch the movie, I click the button 2 and watch the movie. Here I made ulta. That means I made a reverse purpose. I made the trailer, watch the trailer as watch button as in trailer, and I'm directly playing the movie from YouTube here. Something is Avatar is showing 8.1. I think click on the title, remove that rating, so it may go on and it may look nice now. And everything is fine. If I play video, I can able to see Avatar here. Complete movie. But here is the difference. You can see here, you can able to see YouTube sponsors and all. This is the big disadvantages if you copy the URL from the YouTube. Look at this. These all are from Drive itself. It never show the any a trademark or any logo mark. It directly play from the Drive itself. So I prefer you choose, rather than preferring the YouTube link, just choose the video, put it in Drive and use it. Last thing, just click on the publish button and just look at the presentation. You do it later. Publish app, then scan this code so that you can able to see a prototype of your website in your phone, or else copy this link and open in your phone. You can able to see how your app is designed right now. One thing, I added the favorite here, but in watch list, you click on this, it not, I can able to see in the favorite list. So same way here also, just add it another one. Just add another one list with a name called popular, and the same as title. I select as in details, image as an avatar, then header. Okay, everything is okay. I don't want to see details here. I want to look normal. It's not a main page which look like a bigger and description with smaller one. Then in list, I select the okay. In popular, I click on the popular. Then I add the avatar. I don't want image. I click at normal as 3:4. I need a small thing is enough for me. Then I all the capital letter. I add the favorite button here also. Then I don't disable this one. I add the action. I delete this one. I add the action called reshuffle plus view details. I name the action whatever I want. Then I go for an option. Then I click on show search bar. I add the filter. Is favorited is true or TRUE true. Let's say TRUE true. And sort randomly. Then that's done. You can see here it's big, but you can see the small watch list here, and you can see here in here what something is I made a mistake here. Everyone in everything you cannot able to see an header, right? Drama and all. If you want an header, click on it and add a title. First one is popular, right? First, I don't want for first one. I click on second one, select title and select drama. You'll get a title. That's it, drama. If you want a fantasy, go for add the title as fantasy. Then go for action. and add a title as action. If you want horror, click on this button and select it as horror. Then cartoon, select it as cartoon. And everything is listed here, but in popular I don't want to see that, it looks some weird. In this I don't want to see any like the subtitle, so I'll disabling all the title here. And I don't want the title in popular also. Customize. Now look at this. I select few things from drama. I choosing from here and here, and then and go for watch list. Everything in the watch list. That's it for today. Let's see you in next workshop.